Hello you guys, this is me Zinal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we all know, Valentine's Day is around the corner and I have created this beautiful romantic makeup look for this Valentine's Day. So if you guys planning to go out on your date night with your loved ones and want to know how to create this look, then please keep on watching. But before that, if you guys like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. So now let's get started. So now I'm going to start with prepping my skin and I'm using e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. These smell so nice and work so amazing. And then I'm going to use Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. I'm just massaging it into my skin. And lastly, I'm using Nivea Lip Balm to hydrate my lips. Now I'm going to start my base with concealer. This is from MAC and the shade is NW35. I'm going to use this dark shade to neutralize my under eyes darkness. I am applying it with my concealer brush and I am applying a little concealer on my eyes as well. And then I'm going to blend it with my damp beauty blender. Now here I'm taking mixture of two foundations. One is from Shopwell 06 number and one is from Maybelline Fit Me 230 number. I'm taking 2 pumps of each and mixing it on the back of my hand with my damp beauty blender. And I'm applying it all over my face and blend it into my skin to achieve flawless base. Both foundations gives medium to high coverage. And by mixing these two shades gives perfect match for my skin tone because Shopwell 06 number is quite darker for my skin tone and Fit Me 230 number is slightly lighter for my skin tone. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer and I'm applying it under my eyes and on my T-zone. And now I'm blending it into my skin. I know it's quite looks bright because I love a bright under eyes, but if you guys don't like this bright, you don't have to use like super brightened shades. But for me personally, I just love doing concealer this way. And trust me, when contour, blush and highlighter all comes together, entire face looks so perfect and very nice. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm just very gently pushing some of the product into my under eye area and also on the other places where I have applied concealer. I'm not baking but literally just taking a little bit of product and just setting these areas in place. Now I'm just going to fill my brows with Lakme eyebrow pencil. Now I'm taking my Hoola bronzer and contour my face as usual. I'm just applying it on my cheekbones, jawline, forehead and nose. For my blush, I am using NYX Sweet Cheeks palette and I am mixing 2 shades of pink and applying it on the apple of my cheeks. Now to set everything in place, I am using Urban Decay All Nighter Spray and I am just popping it all over my face. Now I'm just quickly applying my Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline because it literally doubles the effect of the highlighter after using setting spray. Now let's move on to the eyes. I am taking this beautiful Colourpop Dream Street palette and taking this nude shade from the palette and applying it all over my eyelids. Now I'm taking this darker shade from the palette and applying it in a circular motion on my crease line. You have to blend this color with very light hand until the harsh line disappear. Now I'm taking my previous fluffy brush and blending both this color very well. Now here I'm going to do a cut crease eye look. So for that I'm using Eligal Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. I'm taking a little amount on the back of my hand, and what I'm going to do is apply a little concealer on the bottom of my eyelids, and then I look up and around, and there you go. So where the concealer transferred to is exactly where I want my cut crease. So now I'm just connecting a dots and creating a fake crease line. And whatever concealer left on my brush, I'm just applying it on my eyelids and creating a half moon shape. Now I'm just blending the concealer with the same brush, and then I'm going to take a matte cream shade from Huda Beauty Warm Obsession palette and applying it on the concealer. Next I'm taking this warm brown shade from Huda palette and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eye and blending it slightly to create an outer V shape. Now just blend until you're happy with the blending. Then I'm taking this dark brown shade to deepen up the outer corner, and for that I'm using London Pride Cosmetics tapered blending brush. It's LP319 for that precise blending. Here I'm creating a gradient effect from the light to dark color. I am taking this dark brown shade little more upwards, close to my eyebrows, to create an effect of bigger eye look. Now I'm just blending dark and light brown color with the cream color and soften up the outer corner edges. And now I'm done with my one eye, and the same thing I'm gonna do with my other eye. Next I'm gonna do an eyeliner. For that I'm using e.l.f. liquid liner in the shade black. I am applying this very close to my lash line and gonna create a wing liner. Next I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara and I'm just coating my lashes with this mascara. Now just quickly I'm gonna apply eyelashes, and again I'm gonna do eyeliner to hide that lash glue. I'm just applying it on the top of my eyelash band. Now I'm just quickly gonna do my lower lash line. I'm taking this warm brown shade and applying it on my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna take this brown shade and blending both the colors very well. Next I'm taking this Forever 52 brown pencil and I'm going to apply on my waterline. For my lips, I'm using NYX Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rom. I love the texture and finish of these soft matte lip creams. Now just don't forget your body. I'm taking highlighter again and applying it on my collarbones to give some sort of glow there. Alright guys, that's it. That's my final look. I really hope you loved watching this video and learned something new. And happy Valentine's Day to you all, and thank you so much guys for spending your precious time to watch my videos and share it with your friends and family. So guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.